Dear students, welcome to our science class. Today we can start a new lesson, measurement, chapter 10, measurement. We take measurements in our daily life, isn't it? Yeah, we take different measurements in our daily life. What is measurement? Measurement is a system to compare a quantity with a standard unit. Measurement is a system to compare a quantity with a standard unit. In that, first one is measurement of length. People used their body parts to measure length in earlier days. They used hand span, cubit, foot span, and stride to measure different length. But the measurement is not accurate because body parts differ from person to person. The people used their body parts to measure length in earlier days. അത് പണ്ട് കാലത്ത് ആൾക്കാർ ലെന്ത് മെഷർ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് അവരുടെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ബോഡി പാർട്സ് ആയിരുന്നു യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. They used hand span. What is hand span? Hand span is a maximum distance between the tips of the thumbs and little finger. Here I given one picture. From this picture you can clearly understand what is the span. Hand span is a maximum distance between the tips of the thumb and the little finger. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ തള്ളവിരലും ചെറിയ വിരലും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, that is called hand span. And the second one is cubit. Cubit means cubit is an ancient measure of length approximately equal to the length of a forearm. Okay. മുഴം എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. Okay. That was given in this figure. That is what the picture is given in your textbook also. Okay. They used a hand span, then cubits, then foot span. The foot span also given here. ഓക്കെ, ഫുഡ് സ്പാൻ അതായത് അടി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ഇത്ര അടി, 5 അടി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 6 feet 7 feet. ഓക്കെ, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഫുഡ് സ്പാൻ. ദെൻ സ്ട്രൈഡ് to measure different length, but the measurement is not accurate. This measurement is not accurate means the measurement എപ്പോഴും കറക്റ്റ് ആവണമെന്നില്ല, because body parts differ from person to person. That we know clearly. Okay, അതായത് നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസിന്റെ ഹാൻഡ് സ്പാനോ പിന്നെ what we can say foot span, then hand span, cubit, ഇതൊക്കെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയി. നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസിന്റെയും ഹാൻഡ് സ്പാനും ക്യൂബിറ്റും അതുപോലെ ഫുഡ് സ്പാനും ഒക്കെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. കാരണം എന്താ, പേരൻസിന്റെ വലുതും നിങ്ങളുടെ ചെറുതുമാണ്. സോ ദിസ് മെഷർമെന്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ആക്യുറേറ്റ് ബിക്കോസ് ബോഡി പാർട്സ് ഡിഫർ ഫ്രം person to person. Therefore we need a standard unit of measurement. Okay. So nowadays we measure length in centimeter, meters and kilometer. Nowadays we measure length in centimeters, meters and kilometers. In olden days people used their body parts to measure length. But nowadays we measure length in centimeters, meters and kilometers. We measure long distance in kilometers. Smaller length is measured in meters or centimeters. Just to remember, we measure long distance in kilometers. Then smaller length is measured in meters or centimeter. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് പ്ലേസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് നമ്മൾ കിലോമീറ്ററിലാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ റീസൺ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് എ ലോങ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, സെയിം ആസ് സ്മോളർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ബി മെഷേർഡ് ഇൻ meter or centimeter. Meter is written as M, small letter M. Okay, just to remember the symbol of meter is a small letter M, and the kilometer is written as KM, small letter K and small letter M, and centimeter is written as CM. Just to remember, meter is written as small letter M, and kilometer is written as small letter K and small letter M, and centimeter is written as C and CM. Both are small letter. Okay. And meter is the standard unit to measure length. Just to remember, meter is the standard unit to measure length. Okay. Nowadays we measure length in centimeter, meters and kilometer, but the standard unit of length is meter and its symbol is small letter M. And rainfall is also measured in millimeters and centimeters, and an instrument called a rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. Just to remember, same as distance, rainfall also measured in either millimeter and centimeter. An instrument called a rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. Okay. The next one is measurement of mass. We measure mass in gram and kilogram. Generally, we measure mass in gram and kilogram. Gram is the standard unit to measure mass or weight. Gram is the standard unit. In the case of distance or in the case of length, we already studied meter is the standard unit of length, same as gram is the standard unit to measure mass or weight. Just to remember, gram is the standard unit to measure mass or weight. Mass means a barrel. Okay. A weighing machine or balance is used to measure mass. A weighing machine uh, or balance, okay, or pan balance, then different kinds of balance machines are there. Pan balance, beam balance, then spring balance, weighing machine, etc. Okay, so weighing machine or balance is used to measure mass, or pan balance, beam balance, spring balance, then weighing machines are used to measure mass. Same as length. Then smaller masses are measured in gram gram and milligram. Large masses are measured in kilogram. Smaller masses are measured in gram and milligram, and large masses are measured in kilogram. And gram is written as small letter G. And then milligram is written as mgs, both are small letter, okay. And kilogram is written as kg, okay. Gram is the standard unit to measure mass or weight, and pan balance, beam balance, spring balance, then weighing machines, etc. are used to measure mass. And smaller masses are measured in gram, gram and milligram. Large masses are measured in kilogram. And gram is written as small letter G. Milligram is written as mg, and kilogram is written as kg. Okay, dear children, today itself all of you read textbook carefully And here some activities also given in your textbook, page number 155 and 156. Both two activities are given. Just to try to complete. Okay. First activity, in the length of my study table is. With the help of measuring tape, you can measure the length of your study table. And the activity to measure your weight, okay, on a weighing machine. Okay, with the help of this weighing machine, you can measure your weight, and with the help of measuring tape, you can measure the length of your study table. Okay, dear children, thank you.